Yo, what's good?
What's going on?
Yo, we're back at it. 2022. Yeah, so that's not a legacy.
The whole hub.
We'll explain later. But we're installing some BCs. Trying to do the rear right now.
Hold on. So I'm gonna hit the. You have to push down on the hub. Not too hard. Just maybe up, pull up.
You know, you would think you'd watch videos on how to install coilovers on this car.
I have, but everyone does it different. Dude, you can't. You have to do it from the inside.
I don't think he knows what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing. His name is 86 man.
No, wait, these aren't max speeding rods. He did something wrong.
Put some money. What? Dude?
You've never been on the channel before, have you?
I have to be in the sunlight. You gotta get my good side.
Oh, yo, he's flexing on us.
No, I think it's dirty as fuck.
Yeah, it's still a Porsche.
Huh?
It's still a Porsche.
Yeah, I guess.
Give us a walk around, you know? Give us a walk around.
This is a bone stock 95B Porsche Macan turbo.
Yeah, let's give it a walk around. We'll mix in the middle of something.
Yo, we already know what you're doing, though.
That's what we're here for, bro.
We're here for support.
You're on call. I'm on call always.
So, what we did, or what they did, was unbolted the control arm here from the knuckle, and then the suspension itself, and we just pried down on the control arm, and then pried this away to take the stock one out. He has stock TRD lowering springs on it already, so it's okay from when he got the car. But the BCs are short. So just gonna take that side out, and from there we'll put both of them in and adjust the height, and then we also have to adjust the front camera on the passenger side again. But like he said, he'll explain everything and why he has this and where the legacy went. I might have a clip that I shot a while back about the legacy. So
Honda 17.
Honda 17.
I like the 17. Yo, where's the 17 Biggie? 17 Biggie? Yeah.
the wrench?
Here.
It's over here.
Right in my face.
In your face. In my face. Yeah, you got a skid mark on your face.
Hell yeah, war.
Yo, remember that line from Fast and Furious, bro?
Simba.
Yo, remember that line from Fast and Furious?
What?
Letty's line? I smell skanks. Why don't you girls pack it up before I put skid marks on your face?
Which one didn't I cut? I was so bored, honestly. Yeah, I was saying just hand tightening it.
But coils are in.
Crank on it.
You just gotta tighten the knuckle, the trailing arm, and the fucking bolt for the suspension.
You're sure the gun won't make it on there?
Not a chance. You wanna know why?
The other thing's already out of the way.
Oh, yeah.
What the hell are you doing? There's no ratchet.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Just kidding. But here's his front ride height. It's just gangster. There's the side I said we had to fix.
Okay. Now
As you can see, it's less camber than that side.
Now we can help it.
But all the top hats are all maxed up, so just gotta lower that.
Car seat. Whoa, yo.
And I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to readjust this height in the rear.
Like tucking nicely.
Nah, not tucking, dude. I'm
Yo, why don't you just max everything out?
Buddy, I'm grown up now.
No, you're not.
Listen.
You're younger than me.
I was on drugs the last time we did the vlogs. And
Were you?
No. So I was
What
on
drugs
crack,
are you doing?
shrooms, and,
Title of the video: Yucko was on drugs.
and the car looked higher than I thought it was. But when it hit the ground, I thought something was broken. Ah!
That's good.
Good?
Yeah. Do another.
Ah! Ah!
There you go.
Get 2 jobs.
Torch back.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna torque it down and yeah! You're gonna be all set.
No Ugga Duggas anymore.
Nah, Ugga Duggas is over with. Because he couldn't use it, bro. That was the most Hugget Duggets when I was on drugs. Yo, there's spray paint on my exhaust.
Oh shit!
Damn it. Because fucking Johnny, yo, quick, it's paint magic.
Yo, just take it off a paint thinner, bro. You're good.
It's already ruined.
Quick, paint magic.
It's already ruined, bro. It's got spray paint on it.
It's on the vlog too, bro. Everyone's gonna know. Everyone's gonna know, man. It's
Yeah.
alright, it's gonna come off. Paint thinner.
The foam comes off too.
It's just a black exhaust at this point.
Just spray paint the whole thing black, but right at this point.
Heat treated. Heat treated.
Yes. One more coming. Woo! Okay. Start. Alright, I'll be back with you in a few after my nap. Alright, put the wheels on. Send it. Dude, it's gonna be slammed. It's gonna be fire. Let's go.
Time lapse. Yo, you gotta bounce on it. You gotta bounce on it. So the coils are in. Ended up not lowering that side to match this. We ended up taking the camber on this side out. And here's kind of a walk around. We still gotta take it for a test drive.
Don't worry, it'll go lower in the summer.
Yeah, this is just phase one.
Winter.
This is just phase one because there's still snow on the ground. We just got hit with a storm last night, no, or yesterday. Dropped about, what do you think, 6 inches?
8.
It says we were supposed to get a foot, but that
to 12.
doesn't look like it's. I mean, granted, it is melting right now, but.
Played me. I thought my car was broken. Turn's good, right?
Yeah, you good.
I'm gonna go
Okay.
up that way, watch out. Looks fucking mint.
It does. The rear is mint.
Yeah, you can get it now. Yeah, he's let's get it.
First drive. Yo, it is stiffer.
Super. I might have to take the stiffness out.
Back it off like 4 clicks.
Yeah, it's way too stiff.
We're about to find out right here. Oh, that's mad stiff.
Yes. God damn.
Feels like I'm in the Legacy again.
What's that clicking noise? Yeah.
Try the top hats. Let's check the top hats again. I mean, it is mad stiff too.
I know, but listen, when I hit a bump, ready? See?
Yeah, yeah.
See? What is that?
Top hats?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll have when Tony gets
It's
rides in
that
it.
side, right?
I think it's both sides.
No, I don't think so. Listen to that shit.
Still rides better.
No, it needs to. It's too stiff.
Can we just take a moment to realize that every vlog is in the winter? I haven't really done any summer vlogs. That's about to change this year.
I like the way it rides.
Yeah, I'd say back off the dampening like 4 clicks.
It's not that low, so I don't think it needs to be that stiff.
We stopped here at Dunkin's to figure that it might be just the rear is too stiff, so we turned the dampening down to see if it fixes it. As he is looking for.
What else would I be looking for?
Oh. Hey, I can say it now. You're looking for your jewel, huh?
They probably fell down the crack. Oh, it's in my pocket.
Dumbass.
Okay, let's pray. That fix the problem, because I don't feel like going back into this. I'm satisfied. I want to be done.
If I ever make it on YouTube, you're definitely getting paid.
Yes, sir. Look at 50. I think I have the best content.
You're my only content.
Yes.
Kinda. You're like, you make up
Here's the test.
80% of my content.
It feels better already, though.
It does.
Fuck. What could it be?
I still think it's top hats. That or that's just the way it is now. I don't know. Let's bring it back and have Tony go for a ride. But it feels better.
Yeah, a lot better. Could have went.
Alright! That was so fucking gay.
What? Potting. From where?
Seeing that you gotta wait for your car to warm up.
It's warm.
Ish. What happened to the Legacy?
So, a lot of things. I'm sick of it. It was a piece of shit. The rear camber arm snapped and the tow arm broke 2 days after I installed it. And that was already the second time replacing it. And everything was just breaking all at once. And yeah, I'm sick of shit boxes. So here we are today.
Where does it lie? Where's the Legacy lie?
In the junkyard.
It is at Holland's if you guys want to rob it. There's probably nothing left, but it's there if you wanted to take a picture with it. Send it to me. But you've had the 8.6 for how long now?
A month? A month?
Yeah. And he's already, I knew it wasn't gonna stay stock for long. He already had parts on order before he even got the damn car. But as of right now, it's got the front lip,
Roof spoiler.
the roof spoiler,
Coilovers wheels on the car.
coilovers. Wheels are from the Legacy, if you guys don't remember, and then the exhaust. He has
MXP RS catback.
that was a pretty simple install.
Yeah, it went very smoothly actually. Everything went smooth compared to the
Well,
Legacy.
So today we were installing the coilovers. Last night he had just installed the fronts
But my lonely, terrible.
by himself. He said it sucked.
Yeah.
And
It's
today,
not hard. It's just end links. What do they call it? Sway bar links are the worst thing probably in the world.
yeah. And today we installed the rears, or helped him install the rears.
Which took like 15 minutes,
30,
30 minutes.
45 with their fucking around.
Yeah.
But yeah. And that's from the Legacy. The floor mats from the Legacy. The good old, oh shit, from the Legacy.
Broken glass.
If you can remember
The mirror
this
from the
mirror.
Legacy.
Other than that,
Interiors kind of stay decently stock.
this is basically the new car. And the
Yeah.
new car you'll see in the channel more often.
Yes, sir.
And he said that this car he is doing what?
What am I doing?
You're doing it right.
Right. Probably. Oh, I have the side skirts.
Yeah, he's got side skirts and rear duckbill for it. That's got to be painted.
Soon. The weather gets nice.
Yeah, but get used to this car. It's no longer 8.6. No, it's no longer Legacy Nick. It's 8.6 Nick.
Sounds a lot better.
Alright. So Yucko got stuck. This is bonus footage, by the way.
Behind the scenes.
Give him a little bit. Give him a little bit while you're.
Okay.
This is great. What is this, like 45-degree weather in the middle of winter?
It's not.
I was rolling windows down on the way. Hey, Brady. Brady. Got that. Should have had it towed, man.
The seats aren't even bolted. Just sitting. I am having it towed, but it has to be out of the street. I mean, out of the garage. So you can park it.
Why should you just pull your whole rear subframe out?
Send it to the junk.
Dude, just drive to the junkyard today. Like right now. Jackson's right by 495. We go to Tripoli's right after.
You just going for it?
Go put it in reverse. Put it in reverse.
What?
Put it in reverse. Let off. That's not strong enough. Stand corrected.
Okay.
Did you stall?
Yeah. What crap?
I don't know.
Subframe?
Go back into my truck.
Huh?
Go back into my truck.
I know. You want me to go back a little bit?
Yeah, a couple feet. Okay, good. Hold on.
What do you think about this version of the Legacy? Forever broken.
It's sad to see it.
We all touched a piece of this car. Some more than others.
It feels low. No, like,
I don't know.
Lower than it. Oh, because the seats make them higher up, so I don't know.
Yo, you know why it's holding you back? You're on stock tires. Thicker sidewall. It's rubbing all around.
Yes, I understand the issue. And it's also hitting